Take a look at our high temperatures yesterday. So day 2 of record-breaking weather here across western Oregon. 88 degrees was the high temperature in both Eugene and Corvallis. Head out to the coast. You were warm as well. Florence not officially on the map, but there in Dunes, we saw temperatures pushing into the mid-80s, also back into the 80s for North Bend. As you head into Roseburg, 92 there in Roseburg and 91 in Medford. And Roseburg, you were the warmest spot in the state, and ironically, one of the few places that did not set a record high temperature, and that's because your previous record was 93, so you were just 1 degree shy. Here in Eugene, that high of 88 actually tied our previous record here. North Bend breaking your previous record by 4 degrees there. Also Portland breaking their previous record of 4 degrees. Downtown Portland actually did manage to get up to 90 yesterday. And Salem also breaking their previous record of 85 by getting up to 88 degrees there yesterday. So we just tied our record, but we were more than 20 degrees above average for this time of year. The average high temperature, 64 degrees. It's been a little while since we've been that cool, but we're definitely going to get back down to that level coming up this weekend. We've seen a return to onshore flow that actually happened just after those high temperatures were reached yesterday, and we saw a dramatic drop in temperatures for the coast and the valley yesterday, late after about 8 o'clock at night. Now we're seeing an area of low pressure that's starting to near into the coast as that high pressure starts to move on to the east. So a return to onshore flow, a return to cloud cover moving in, and eventually as that storm system gets closer, we'll see some rain being produced out of those clouds as well. So take a look at Stormcast here. We're going to break this down hour by hour over the next 48 hours. Today is that transition day. Again, starting to see the clouds pushing in. A few sprinkles possible tonight, but better chances will be when that actual front gets here Saturday night. We'll see some rain from that here across western Oregon. The center of the storm at that point still offshore. That's going to move through just to the north of us on Sunday, so that's when we'll see more widespread rain. That'll continue on Monday as well, and we're going to see a return to snow showers as you head across the Cascades. So for those of you along the coast today, high temperatures right back into the low 60s. Again, it's cooling down, and again, seeing those clouds starting to return, especially later this afternoon. For the Umpqua Basin, your high temperatures back into the mid to upper 70s today, so mostly sunny, cooler, but still warmer than average even for this time of year. For the Cascades, it's mid 60s there today. That snow level starting to drop from 12,000 to 8,000, eventually down to 4,000 feet here by early next week. For those of you in Central Oregon, your transition isn't really going to happen until tomorrow, so still making it back into the mid to upper 70s today. And in the Willamette Valley, high temperatures low to mid 70s. Again, we're going to see those clouds increasing throughout the day, and our winds now shifting to the west to 5 to 10 miles per hour. For the coast, you'll see chances for a few sprinkles tonight, again Saturday, and then heavier rain on both Sunday and Monday. And you see those high temperatures fall to the upper 50s, where you'll stay for most of next week. For the Umpqua Basin, it's 70s still today, but then back down into the 60s this weekend. You also see those chances for showers Saturday night through Monday, but both Tuesday and Wednesday are looking dry at this point. For the Cascades, it's 60s as well today, 50s tomorrow, and then mid-40s here Sunday and Monday. We'll start to see some snow mixed with that rain, especially in the higher elevations above 4,000 feet. And for the Willamette Valley, we too drop to the 60s this weekend. Chances for showers return Saturday night and continue through Monday.